Key features: compact build with high-end specs, strong 19MP camera. The Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact shares many features with the larger, more expensive Xperia XZ2. It's what makes this small phone so unusual. These features include Qualcomm's top-end Snapdragon 845 chipset, a 19MP camera, 64GB of storage and a screen capable of playing HDR video. That's the kind of footage you might watch on a high-end TV. You simply don't get this sort of hardware in other phones this small. Your closest option from Samsung is the Galaxy S9, which is a little wider and a lot longer. This combination of top-quality internals and a small frame is exactly what some are after. The issue is you won't necessarily appreciate the quality of the Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact unless you look deeper. On the surface, this phone is in danger of being interpreted as a cheap and friendly Android. And it is certainly not cheap. Phones like the Moto G5s actually feel more high-end than the Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact, which is quite alarming. However, even that budget favorite has a significantly larger footprint than this one. This is a great phone for the right buyer, particularly as Sony has made real improvements to the camera performance this year. Well, aside from the front camera, which is surprisingly unremarkable. However, you do have to care a lot about its small, cuddly frame.